Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So Musam Seleku spoke I think on the previous episode of Tenderness Tembu about his strained relationship with his only blood sister. You guys, Muslim Seleku talked about that, talked rather that he and his sister are no longer on speaking terms, or that they no longer have a close relationship as they had, as the sister went to someone who is like a healer to try and consult, and it looks like that healer told his sister that Muslim Seleku might have tried sacrificing using him. So Muslim Seleku went to Instagram post today and posted a long Instagram stories, you guys, which he later took off. And fortunately, there are bloggers out there who had already captured that post which he posted, and it reads as follows. I spent over 490,000 of my own money buying a property at Umkomaas for Unompendulo. She also asked the property to be furnished. I asked Makumalo to work on that using our own family money. When first her failed marriage, she wanted furniture. We organized that. On her second failed marriage, we used our own money to sponsor it. When I bought the cars for my wives, I guess she wanted a car as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't get one for her, but we bought for my estranged brother a bike using our family money. And then he further soon after writing this, someone who goes by the Mseleku last name went to his social media to try and expose Umusa Mseleku. You guys, this is what the screenshots which were shared by bloggers reads as follows. Soon after Umisam Seleku posted the post on her Instagram, he deleted that within a few minutes. But fortunately, we do have bloggers who are working tirelessly, and they had managed at the time to capture that screenshot. Now, this person who claims to be from the Mseleku clan wrote this, and he said to Umusa, "You mean the same family that gave you love when you had nothing? You mean the very same family that caught you uchela umuti ebokisini lazipho," meaning that the very same family who caught you pouring in muti and lazipho's casket. Ngabe ukhuluma ngezangoma wofika nazo emathiyweni obaba mkhulu. You should be talking about sangomas that you arrived with at the funeral. Musa, ngabe ukhuluma ngale same family wena njalo wawuhlaba every Thursday me kuzoba nomcimbi womnteni? Are you talking about the very same family that you come every Thursday when there's supposed to be like a family ceremony? You come to slaughter animals each and every a Thursday when they're supposed to be umcimbi. Ngabe ithina esasihlala nenyoka emzini kaGokflow? Is it us who came with a snake at Gokflow's house? Ngabe ithina esihlaba nenyoka emzini kaGokflow? Musa, ngabe ithina esithatha inhlabathi emathuneni makushoniwe? Is it us who takes soil at the cemetery whenever there's a funeral? Uyogcina ngokukhohlisa abakwi-TV nja. The gloves are off, you piece of shit. Wenja owakantini not umseleku kwamseleku akwenziwa la manyala owe. And then he went on and guys posted this. He said, if kuya ngokwami Musa ngabe ngithi, let's invite the media and give our family a chance to tell the whole world who you really are. I've seen with my own eyes Musa as Godlweni sa Gokflow. You took it just too far. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.